Our Stonelux Stone Range paint is designed to give an authentic stone finish to almost any surface and is simple and easy to use. In this video we'll be repairing and transforming a rundown windowsill using Stonelux Windowsill paint, showing you how to achieve the best results. To undergo this project you'll need filling blades, masking tape, a sanding block, a natural bristle brush and a stipple brush. You can also apply Stonelux paints with a foam roller or spray gun. For this restoration we'll be using Stonelux Windowsill paint and primer. You will also need a suitable filler for the repair of the sill. To repair any cracks in your windowsill, apply your repair filler over the crack with your filling blades. Most fillers tend to shrink as they dry, so try to overfill the hole a little. We can then sand the filler down to match the surface of the sill later. When filling any major holes, especially on the edges and corners of the windowsill, use the filling blades to mould the filler into the shape of the sill. Now that we've finished our repairs, it's time to sand the windowsill down. Repairing any holes and cracks is important before applying our paint because it ensures a beautiful, durable and long-lasting finish. Preparation is key for any renovative project. Before applying Stonelux primer, ensure the sill is clean, sound and dry. Brush off any dirt with a brush and clean the sill with water and a sponge. Now it's time to apply our masking tape. Ensure all areas around the sill that don't want to be painted are covered with masking tape. The last thing you want is paint to stain your brickwork, as it can be a pain to remove. If you haven't done so already, make sure you have the right colour top coat for the job by matching your stonework with either our Stonelux colour chart or sample cards. For this job we require Marnie 31 paint. The primer to match Marnie is Buff, which we'll be using. Make sure the paint is stirred well before use. Apply one coat of Stonelux primer. Where a dramatic colour change is being made, a second coat is advisable to assist with coverage. Wait 2 to 3 hours for the primer to be touch dry. With the windowsill fully primed, it's time for our top coat. All our paint colours comes in 4 different stone finishes. For this project we'll be using Marnie in the Simply Stone finish. When using Stonelux paint we usually recommend a minimum of 3 layers for the best results. When applying the first layer, ensure the direction of the brush strokes remains the same. Allow to dry and apply a second layer. For this layer, follow the brush strokes from the previous layer, but finish with strokes in the opposite direction. Following the third coat, while still wet, stipple the surface using a stipple brush to even out any brush marks. For a finer finish, continue stippling periodically until your desired effect is achieved. Here is a comparison of all 3 layers. You can see after the third layer, the desired stone finish is achieved, and we get the best results possible. You can also use our Windowsill paint for other architectural projects.